A man has been charged in connection with the fatal stabbing of two men in separate incidents in Falmouth, Trelawney last Wednesday night. The accused has been identified as 24-year-old labourer Solomon Minto of Wakefield Drive, Falmouth in the parish. He has been charged in connection with the murders of 44-year-old Noel Nelson of Water Lane, Falmouth, and Joel Curry of Martha Bray, both in Trelawney. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m. Nelson was standing on Parade Street in Falmouth in the vicinity of the public sanitary facility when he was pounced upon and stabbed in the neck and chest by an assailant armed with a knife. Then approximately 11:17 p.m., while the police were probing the scene on Parade Street, the lawmen were called to Water Square in the town where Curry was set upon and stabbed. He was taken to Falmouth Public Hospital where he subsequently succumbed to his injuries. Minto is scheduled to appear in the Trelawney Parish Court on Friday, February 9 and Thursday, February 15 in relation to the killing of Curry and Nelson respectively. 28-year-old Krishna Barrett, a chef of Holland Village in St. Elizabeth, who was wanted for murder, was arrested and charged after an operation on Thursday, February 1. The deceased was identified as 34-year-old Isaiah Dixon, a farmer of the same community. Reports are that on Saturday, July 17, 2021, Barrett used a knife to stab Dixon several times in the upper body. The police were summoned, however, Barrett managed to flee the scene. He eluded the police for over 2 years and was subsequently held in an operation. Barrett was additionally charged with being in possession of a prohibited weapon. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Deputy Superintendent Coleridge Minto, is commending the team of detectives for work being done and also seek to reassure the public that lawmen are continuing to work assiduously to restore peace and order in the division. He is appealing to residents to share any information that they may have on any crime committed in the parish.